Hello, in this video I want to show you how to remove transport bolts from a TCL washing machine. And to do this, first you will need to get this spanner that you can find actually behind the doors inside the washing machine. And then we'll need to find the screws, so the one bolt is right here, another one right here, and two on the other side. Now we'll need to basically unscrew them like any other screw. It should go out like this. Here's one, and you just need to do the same thing with the rest. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.